The space race is on fire, with private companies such as SpaceX and Blue Origin battling it out to partner with the intrepid independent federal agency NASA to see who's going to be the first one to send humans into space. But getting humans in a profitable spaceship and out of the Earth's atmosphere is just the first challenge. Eventually, just as a car trip coast to coast in the 1900s would take about 63 days, the time of travel is going to become a major factor. After all, a trip to the moon under a SpaceX launch could be 6 days, and a trip to Mars? Look at about 6 to 9 months. No one's got time for that, unless you got a wormhole. It's important to note for the following, that time, to the average perception, is basically the speed of light. A wormhole is a hypothetical shortcut connecting one end of the galaxy to the other. In this case, instead of an invisible force attracting objects to one another, such as we are standing here on Earth, gravity is a curving, warping force. The bigger an object is, the more gravity is curved around it, and thus the more light is curved around it. The more light is curved, the weirder time gets. Now, a wormhole needs a black hole. A black hole is a region of space-time being the 3 dimensions of space with a dash of 1 dimension of time, where the gravity is so strong particles are drawn into it where they cannot escape. This boundary is called the event horizon. And the event horizon has got to go to have any sort of functioning wormhole. The easiest way to traverse a wormhole is with a white hole. A white hole, or the black hole's time reversal, is a region of space-time in which particles, party articles, cannot enter. Basically, space's most exclusive nightclub. Both are absolutely terrifying. But take a black hole and put it on one end, white hole on the other, put a space-time conduit in the center, exotic matter or duct tape will do, and that should form a tunnel called a throat by experts. With that, you got yourself a beautiful wormhole. If it's stable. Now, all of that is possible if, and that's the biggest if in the universe right now, it's stable. Initially, it was theorized that you would need massive amounts of exotic matter, in this case, negative matter, which is exactly what it sounds like, to hold that throat or tunnel open. But Dr. Rosa of Aveiro University in Portugal has theorized another version, another theory, if you will, of gravity. In this case, the generalized hypermetric Palatini theory of gravity. So with respect to the OG theory of general relativity, Rosa's theory adds a bit more flexibility in energy and matter and space and time. With this consideration, instead of having to stack negative matter around the tunnel using quantum physics to basically force it open, this new theory allows the idea of stacking regular matter on the ends of the tunnel and plates to kind of use gravitational force to naturally open the throat so particles can pass through. So as we humans venture further out into space, and most likely into long travel times in economy class space shuttles, keep in mind that every complicated scientific concept has become commonplace. If you find yourself waiting out a delayed spaceflight, remember, all you need for a quick wormhole is a black hole, a white hole, a space-time conduit, exotic matter, a working theory of gravity, and an open mind. Bon appetit space.
Hi, I'm CK Kimball with the Tundra Enthusiast Network. Thanks for watching.